Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are doing something a bit different. When we were at a working day a few weeks ago, we met someone that has an extensive collection of garden tractors and other horticultural machinery, and they invited us to go and have a look at their collection. So that is where we are headed right now. It's nice weather for a road trip today, much better than we have had recently, so that's quite nice. And we're going to stop recording soon, just for this collector's privacy, and we may well put some music over the video as we take it, just similar reasons again as we're chatting to him as well. But we'll go straight into the footage now, so the next thing you'll see is some footage of his collection. So we are now on the way back. Our sat-nav says that it's going to be about an hour to get home, which is between 15 and 20 minutes more than it took to get out here. So I think we may run into a few traffic issues on the way back. But that is more than okay, because we've just spent the last 3 or so hours touring that amazing collection that you will have just seen and having a nice chat with the owner. And it's a very varied collection. I mean, our collection is mainly one brand, Bolens, but as you will have seen, many different makes there, and not just from like one place either. There was a lot of American makes, British makes, Japanese makes, even Taiwanese makes. If that's the correct term, feel free to correct me in the comments if it isn't. But yeah, very varied collection, and all very rare machines, like the full series of Massey Ferguson garden tractors. You will have seen the John Deeres as well, all very rare machines here in this country, and there was like entire series of them. So yeah, that was a very impressive collection overall, and just the sheer magnitude of machines. I'm not sure how some of the footage came out, because some of the sheds were quite tightly packed, understandably so with the volume of machines that were there. But I'm not sure how some of those videos will have come out. Hopefully that all looks very good, and you get to see the full collection, because that was very impressive. There was also some of our other garden tractor friends there, which we weren't expecting to see them, but that was a very good surprise, very nice surprise, and it was great to catch up with them again as well. But we are now headed home, so I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.